won't listen to you?
No. All right. What are we doing today?
Al?
We're getting ready to pull that engine of the 335i. Billy needs this N54 out by Thursday, so we're going to knock that out, right?
Yep,
we're going to do a lot of things. We're going to do some of that, then we're going to do some of that over there. So yeah.
Yep.
Who's my helper today?
Me.
Who knows for how long, but who is me? Who's this guy? What's your name?
Jonathan.
All right, Jonathan.
Yep.
He's going to be helping me out.
Yep.
So, as Jonathan said, we're going to be doing some stuff today. So, buckle up. I don't know why I'm so excited. I think it's because I was watching some Speed Academy and their LS430 looks really nice. And then I watched Build Biology by Hoonigan on their, I think it was a 1992 Honda or Acura NSX. Nice. So, let's get to it.